Directly to the Mount Lokon. Be careful, slow. Third floor, Minahasa house. So in the past we keep everything there. Yeah, it's very hot. To take the guava but too high. Huh? Iyo, jambu. Hah?
Terima kasih. Hadiah.
Capcay, capcay.
Thank you. Terima kasih, Tuhan memberkati.
Oke, tapi ambil jambu di
Di rumah.
di kini loh. Capcay ke for mami. That's the baby. Apa nih dia nama?
Satu dua lagi. Ibu Isya. Oh, Bapak
Ya,
Adi.
oke.
Tren, jangan baku klaim. JR Sonto mohon kakas kasem, tong goyang jangan pakai rem. Kita goyang gaya tren.
Yeah, alcohol but very high. Just don't drink too much.
Oke, terima kasih.
Ke situ ngana, nanti saya kirim pangana. Tunggu.
Pangi. Sayur pangi.
So this is our traditional food, sayur pangi, angkro. There is vegetable inside. There is a pork.
Ini dang nasi jahat.
This is a
Nasi jahat.
Ifor rice.
Pangi. Sayur pangi.
So this is our traditional food, sayur pangi, angkro. There is vegetable inside. There is a pork.
Ini dang nasi jahat.
This is a
Nasi jahat.
Ifor rice. Di bangunan pembendaharaan negara with Mr. Rob yang suka sejarah. Gedung UKIT, kampus UKIT di belakang. Wait. I forgot to make it a video. Bangunan UKIT. Bangunan sejarah yang masih ada. Perbendaharaan negara, bangunan era kolonial. So we go to another place, Miss Rob. Today and release it. Ukit.
Yeah, you can move around, see something if you like to ask.
When the water's open.
Oh yeah.
Where does the water go? Before it circles around.
Oh no, it's just only circling in the pipes. It's in the pipes.
Oh, okay. And you
Like,
put,
the water is constantly moving, so
so it's going,
yeah.
so you put fertilizer in there.
Goes back again. Like this is the pump that goes
Yeah.
up, this goes down. Yeah, and with this we can plant almost anywhere. It's just water. But I'm not that so sorry if I can't.
Terus diatur. Dekat Kolintang juga guys, kurang Kolintang. Oke, bye bye. So now I with Uncle Rob. He have a old map of
Selamat pagi.
Minahasa Tomon
From 1925.
from what year?
1925.
1925. So at that map, our location now is in Kinilo, which where? So this is the this is the road 1925 at
No.
your map.
1925, yeah.
That's the church. Jalan dari peta Belanda tahun 1925. Peta Uncle Rob.
Yeah.
So what is your opinion? Thanks
My
for
opinion.
your map. Thanks for Uncle Rob map. We take back to history.
My opinion is that it's changed a lot. It's very different now to the old 1925 map. Very interesting history.
Yeah. We take a time like Indiana Jones now. Explore the past.
Explorasi.
Explorasi. So that's a short lesson about reading the old Dutch 1925 map by Mr. Rob in this 2025.
The link to the old map is on the Expat in Manado Facebook page. It's a very interesting to follow the road from Manado to Tomahon and the old 1925 map and see what places are still here now after nearly 100 years.
Yes, it's very.
It is 100 years.
1925.
It's 100
Now
years.
is 2025. Yes.
I forgot that it's 2025.
Ya, ini peta dari 1925, sekarang tahun 2025. Jadi DP peta ini DP peta, apa tuh, Tomon itu Kinilo.
I think the screen's too dark.
Yeah.
But the links on the link to the maps on the Manado, Expat in Manado Facebook page.
Jadi itu peta 100 tahun yang lalu dari Belanda 1925, kon DP jalan sekarang ini apa? Masih sama. Dan DP gereja sana. So it's cool. We take back time 100 years ago,
Yeah.
1925 to 2025.
Yeah. There it is.
That's the old Netherlands and England church ring bell. Launching the upstairs. We still have the
Yeah.
ring bell on the church
Yeah.
upstairs. Jadi di atas sana lonceng gereja Belanda dari
It's
abad 19 masih berbunyi. Demi Petra kini loh. We still use it
yeah.
and on the ringtone everything. So, congrats Uncle Rob for your trip. Indiana Jones trip. Take back time. We back 100 years back to see how we can found the old road map in this map to this present day, and we found it. So somewhere in 1925, Ule came here, make the map, maybe this road and that road, make this map. And now we take back time for that trip. Say something again.
Saya suka sejarah di Sulawesi Utara. Menarik.
So, see you today and be blessed. Here, I have a coffee seat there. So your opinion about the history about Dutch and Japanese, what is? Can you?
Some of the history research that I was doing and reading, I learned that there was quite a lot of Japanese people in Manado and North Sulawesi before World War II. Maybe 100, 200 Japanese people living here. And they tried coffee plantations. Many of them were traders, importers and exporters. They exported a lot of Indonesian products to Japan. And then when World War II happened and the Japanese invaded northern Sulawesi, before that, most of the Japanese, the women and children, were sent back to Japan, and quite a few Japanese men stayed in Japan. And actually, one of the Japanese traders, who had an office in Manado near the Hotel Celebes, the Japanese Navy commanders made him the mayor of Manado during the Japanese occupation. And then, of course, after the war finished, all the Japanese were sent to prison camps near Bitung, and then they all, some were sent back to Japan. There were some war crime trials, and that was pretty much the last of the Japanese in northern Sulawesi.
So the Japanese at the first time they are selling coffee too.
They, the Japanese
Some of
before
them.
the war in the 1920s and 1930s,
They already make it right.
they were trying to grow coffee. I don't know how successful they were, but they were certainly experimenting with coffee plantations and trying to grow coffee. But I think probably World War II stopped the progress of the Japanese growing coffee here.
Okay, so that's a little bit history about coffee with the Japanese before the war. So before the war, Japanese and the Dutch make friends and they just trade very normally before the war. the,
After the war, the Dutch and Japanese were not good friends.
So that's the history. Here with me at my Octa Farms, Tara, and with the view around here, with the coffee over there, sit and the farm. So in Tombolo Park, Jalan Kinilo Kali. So good day, be blessed. See you. Now I with my family Omni Corontelalo. He like to make local gazebo to sell food and everything, saguer and everything. So mana tuh tambah sana? Jalan Kinilo, Kinoor.
Saya minum dia.
Yeah, okay. Okay. See you with Mr. Nico. Uncle Rob Aussie. Hey, Om Nico. Yo, back in your bye-bye. Yo. There's a car.